This video will show you how to assign rooms based on their features. Let us see how. Right-click the group reservation you wish to assign. Click Group View Details in the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. At the bottom of the page, select a checkbox corresponding to the reservation you wish to assign. Note: the rooms should not be checked in or assigned. Now click on the funnel option in the Room Type column. A panel opens. Select the Room feature, Floors and Block. Click on Search button. Search results will show the list of units available matching the desired room features. Click OK. Under Room column, click on Select. A drop-down list appears showing the rooms based on the search criteria. Select any one of the rooms. Note: room where the features are selected will show eye icon. Click Save. The reservation is assigned to the desired room and it is indicated by alphabet A. This brings us to the end of the video on how to assign room based on their features.